Hi there, I'm Praveen, a CA/LISA instructor with CA Technologies. In this video, I'll be discussing how to create virtual services using CA/LISA service virtualization.
What is CA/LISA service virtualization? It is a solution that eliminates dependency constraints by virtualizing unavailable or incomplete systems. Service virtualization allows you to capture and model dependent systems' dynamic behavior, data, and performance as virtual services, which react and respond in the same way as the dependent systems. Let's take an example. Consider a team testing an application. To test, they need the payment services, customer record services, and account authentication services. The payment service will not be available due to a patch upgrade. This will cause a halt in the testing process. CA/LISA service virtualization is used to solve this type of a situation. Using CA/LISA service virtualization, you can create a virtual payment service by recording all the communication you needed between the team's application and the payment service. So, when the original payment service is unavailable, the team can continue their interaction with the virtualized payment services.
You must be thinking how to do that. Well, it's simple. Using CA/LISA service virtualization, you can create virtual services in various ways. Here, you will see how to use the recorder to record live traffic as well as import the raw traffic. Let's see how to create a virtual service by recording the live traffic using CA/LISA.
To create virtual services using live traffic, open CA/LISA workstation and launch the VSE recorder. Next, in the recorder wizard, specify the basic configurations such as path, name for the virtual service model file name, and transport protocol. This will enable CA/LISA to capture the transactions happening between the client application and the dependent service. Once you configure the recorder, the VSE recorder stands between the client and the service and captures the transactions to create the virtual service. When complete, your virtual service is ready for deployment. Deploy the virtual service so it can stand in for the dependent service and respond to the clients. To verify the virtual service is responding, check the transaction count.
There would be a situation in which your live service is currently unavailable to create your virtual service. In that situation, you can still create a virtual service by importing the raw traffic file. Let's see how.
The raw traffic is a XML format document that contains the raw transactions between the client and the service. Open CA/LISA workstation and launch the VSE recorder. Next, in the recorder wizard, specify the basic configurations such as path, name for the virtual service image and the virtual service model file. Then, browse and import the raw traffic file. This will enable CA/LISA to import the transactions from the raw traffic file. Continue with the recording wizard to create the virtual service from the transaction in the raw traffic file. Remember, in this scenario, the raw traffic is used to create the transaction in virtual service. Once complete, your virtual service is now ready for deployment. Deploy the virtual service so that it can stand in for the unavailable service and respond to the client. To verify the virtual service is responding, check the transaction count.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more information, visit ca.com/education.